What up, guys? There, I haven't recorded any longer. I forgot the name. G.I. Joe's. Yes, and I'm going to pause the video first thing until we get there. But I wanted to say Happy New Year's Eve, and I'm going to record tonight also because we're going to get fireworks. We're going to do a fireworks show. But for you guys, we're going to record. Also, it may be bad because we're going to literally jump into the car for 15 minutes. Yeah.
What's up, G.I. Joe's?
Yeah, Gabriel's with me. Hang on, we're gonna start. We're gonna continue when we get there. Okay, guys, we just got here. He doesn't know what a vlog is.
I don't.
I want to do like a vlog, like maybe talk to you guys. Like, oh, I hope you guys have a happy New Year's Eve. Like tonight, we're going to do like a fireworks show. Gabriel, you gonna come? Gabriel says he's gonna come, but we don't know. You coming, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, I know I'm set. Oh,
wait, no, we gotta get back in volume.
My bad. Yeah. I'm gonna be like, guys. I'm gonna be like, I'm sexy, I'm sexy,
And then we're also gonna jump into the car because we're gonna I think we're gonna get some. I want to ask my dad if we can get some AMAs. AMAs is kind of like dynamites. Oh, what just happened? Okay, that's weird. My camera just showed up like this. Like, I just got a better camera, so. It's got better lighting too. It's got better angle. Plus, it's in this angle. Man, I think this one has kind of better audio too.
I thought you were gonna get me the PS3 thing for Christmas.
I said to Gabriel, maybe I'll give him a new. His sister broke his disc for Black Ops on his PS3, so I said maybe I'll get him one. I don't know.
Okay, maybe. So what do you want to do? You gonna play?
Vlog. I'll never stop vlogging.
What's up, guys? I don't know if we're about to play PS3 or PS4.
Then we're gonna vlog, talk to the fans, or maybe maybe.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
He's gonna talk to the fans. Him, not me.
Yeah, because it's my channel.
I know.
My channel. I need a cameraman. So his vlogs are not really.
I want to be the cameraman.
Ooh.
Oh, you ugly. Guys, hey, leave in the comment section if it's ugly. And don't leave a like if it's ugly.
Don't say a comment.
And flag it, don't flag it.
Don't flag. Come on, man.
Okay, Monica!
What?
Okay, guys. I don't know who's Monica. I just invented that name.
You mean Monica the bear?
Oh,
For some reason,
guys,
he named his parent
he's gonna play with
Monica. Which sounds bad, but he just realized what it sounds like. But don't try to guess it. He has a parrot named Monica. And he also has a parrot named Jake Paul. That's Jake Paul. That's Monica, right?
Look.
Oh God, that parrot hates me. That parrot hates me. No, that parrot hates me. This is the title of the video. Parrot almost killed me. Yeah, that parrot almost killed me. Help me, 911. That parrot almost killed me.
So, guys, Joseph's gonna talk to us while baby is.
No, it's a vlog. We both vlog.
No, you.
We go outside.
It's your channel.
Yeah, it's my channel. Okay, hang on while he tries to be ridiculous. That's good content. Okay, hang on, because we're gonna come out with ideas and we'll pause the video. Yeah. Yo, I just want we were recording. He literally grabbed the pot and it'll literally boil over.
Does it look good? Oh, you haven't seen it from the inside.
Ooh, they've probably seen ramen before. Okay, we're gonna pause. I just wanted to say that real quick. Oh yeah, before I pause it, like just to cut.
Give him a comment section if you love the channel.
Yay!
And press the down thumbs.
That's sweet. Please smell soy sauce. That looks like Hershey's. I'm glad I don't have the camera point at you. Don't, because I'm about to point the camera to you.
What's up?
What is this?
I don't know. Oh my.
Nintendo.
Yeah.
Yeah, he bought a Nintendo. Oh, is that the one that broke?
Yeah.
He bought a Nintendo from what, eBay? A used one, and
Yeah.
it broke. Literally in the first 24 hours.
3 days I wait.
Is that no 3 days? I mean.
Oh shit!
I don't know how to edit the videos. I'm sorry.
Guys. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Uh,
Hey! You gotta sing the music. It was too late to say sorry.
no. That's out. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. He just likes cursing for some reason.
I don't.
Yeah, when he said money. No, I can't. This is a family-friendly channel. Family-friendly.
I don't care.
Okay, well, we're going to pause it one more time, and we're going to talk for more ideas. Bye. Well, this is not the end, but we're going to skip to the cutscene.
Okay.
Okay, I just wanted to make one quick announcement. Tomorrow,
I know what is announcement.
I want to, I had an idea for a video. Maybe I'll do it if this gets at least 2 views. I will do
We just got some chicken.
yeah, someone just knocked on the door and gave us chicken. But anyway, yeah, so tomorrow I think maybe, so I want to do this, I just brought this idea, maybe like a New Year's cook thing. I mean, it'd kind of be easy, it'd be funny to see me burn. So, yeah, I'm just going to pause it. Yeah, that's what I want to say. And I know it's aggravating, but to another cutscene.
Something.
Guys, you know how this bear tries to attack me? Look, watch this. Watch your bird. He turns automatically. He opens his beak. Come here. Bear trying to attack me! Bear trying to attack me! Oh, dude, this dude sings really good.
You want to hear me?
Sure.
I came in like an
Never mind.
Son, it wasn't like that. I was trying to say like this, like Jake Paul did.
Yeah, I don't know how to edit, but this dude's trying to tell me you should do it like a Jake Paul line.
Shut up.
Okay. I think you want to go outside or something?
I'm sexy. I'm sexy. I'm his star.
Ow! You just did it with a microphone.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go outside. I think. Go outside. I don't want to end the vlog here.
I'm a beast.
Whatever. But the parrot tried to attack me.
I'm a beast.
Your parents are going to be arrested. Your parents gonna be arrested.
What is the cargo?
No offense, you're actually look. You're not even in the shot. He's down here.
Hi.
If you start twerking almost. Haha, very funny. Yeah, I remember me and him went to the library because they're doing like a horror film. They showed, it said PG. That means like gore, like Freddy or something. They did not. They showed just Rings, It, and Lights Out.
They showed the horrible movies.
Exactly. They looked like they're homemade.
I know. Remember it? It was so bad.
No, I like it though.
No, that one. Yeah, it was good. But the other ones, they were
Exactly. I have an idea for another video. Prank calling things that we don't work at. You see, those may be out. We don't know. Yeah, we're gonna start filming tonight. We're gonna start filming tonight. I'm gonna upload that tomorrow, or maybe tonight. I don't know. Probably gonna be early when I upload it. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Right? Should I? Dude, you're making me hungry now.
Oh, then go to your house and
Okay.
that was me, right?
Yes. Okay. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. Love you guys and see you technically tonight. Bye.